Hey, I wanted this to be a quick unboxing and quick look here at the Techup Smartwatch with health and fitness tracker. This is a Bluetooth watch here, so we'll do a quick unboxing here. Got this guy from Menards. It was not even like 15 bucks out the door. It was on sale. Then they also had their 15% off. Fit it in the bag and 15% off sale going on. So you can see this has Bluetooth 4.0, Bluetooth range of 33 feet. It has a 55 milliamp battery. Working time, it says it's 7 days. That'd be cool if it actually does last 7 days. That'd be pretty sweet. And then water resistant of IPX3. It can do calorie tracking, sleep monitor, which would be interesting to see how well that actually works. Activity tracker, stopwatch, and smartphone connectivity, of course with the Bluetooth there. And there's some few other metrics there, if you guys can read that. That's kind of hard to read. This is what we are greeted with inside the box. That band actually feels pretty nice, and it actually looks like it might be, I'm gonna guess that is 22 millimeter. That's either 20 or 22 millimeter bands. That means you should be able to go on Amazon and find a whole bunch of bands for these watches. That is really cool. How it's not a proprietary watch band. Come back to that. See, this I would say is a funky charger. Very, very funky charger. And you have paperwork here. And here is the watch itself. Funny thing is, I just did an unboxing of this watch, the ProScan smartwatch, and this is actually identical to what this looks like, almost. The screen itself is actually very identical to where it looks big, but it's just a little squared off bit is actually the screen. It has this little circle here. Difference though is this has an actual charger with it. This ProScan one, which was even cheaper, had a built-in charger into the, well, this little bit here that holds onto the bands. So very interesting. It's probably pretty much the same exact watch, but yeah, this looks identical to it, except for this has a different charger. You also get a heart rate monitor right here. We go ahead and connect those. Alright, there it is with the bands on. Again, I actually like these bands quite a bit. This definitely seems like a nicer watch overall, though, than what that ProScan I just showed you guys seems to be. The bands themselves are just way nicer. You can actually switch them out. Again, you should be able to find similar, a whole bunch of bands on Amazon.com for this. So that's really, really cool. This is definitely, you can definitely tell this is a cheaper watch, though. Again, for 15 bucks, not even. We'll see how good this actually is. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'll be doing a review of this pretty soon here. We'll go ahead and charge this thing up, use it for a little bit, and see how it is. Again, you can actually see, hit it with the correct lighting there. That square is actually the light. Yeah, so we'll see how this goes. Alright guys, thank you all very much for watching. Stay tuned for that review. Hope you all have a good one. Goodbye.